Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am showing you how I made this Dollar Tree St. Patrick's Day splatter screen wreath. I have been getting a lot of requests for a St. Patrick's Day splatter screen wreath, so this is what I came up with, and it cost about $5. So you're going to need one of the felt shamrocks or clover. You're going to need a cute little bow tie. You're going to need 3 glitter picks, and these are the beautiful carnations. And you're going to need a splatter screen and some ribbon if you would like to tie a bow. You could spray paint your splatter screen if you want to. And you're also going to need some floral stem wire, your scissors, and some wire cutters. And first you're going to take your felt clover or shamrock and place it over your splatter screen. And I moved mine up a little bit higher up on the handle when I decided to wire mine on. And so you will need some floral stem wire, and so just wire the little, I don't know if it's a placemat or if it's just some wall decoration, but it was all in the St. Patrick's Day section at Dollar Tree. So just wire it on in 3 places, and then fold your wires down and cut the extra part off. And at the end, you can always go back and put felt over the back of your splatter screen, at least over your wires if you want to, if you're worried about them scratching your door. And I did add a little hot glue to the splatter screen handle and hot glued the top of the shamrock to the splatter screen handle so that it would not flip down. So I had 3 wires and then some hot glue on the handle. So make sure you get it all wired down so that it does not move. And then you're ready to add your flowers. And I picked up 3 of the shamrock floral picks that have the cute little glitter shamrocks and then the beautiful carnations that are dipped in the green glitter. So I picked up 3 of them. So you'll want to remove the price tag and just fluff them. And if you want to, you can trim the stems shorter. I know a lot of people comment, why didn't you trim those stems first? It's up to you. If you want to trim them, go ahead and trim them. Now's the time. After you have your flowers placed, then you're going to want to grab a zip tie and secure your flowers. Just make sure you get that zip tie nice and tight around your little bouquet, and then trim off the extra part of the zip tie. So this is very simple to make. I mean, you can make this in 10 minutes or less. And around $5 is all it costs too, so that's an extra bonus. And then I just took some floral stem wire and wired the bouquet onto the wreath. Now if you need to, take like a little X-Acto knife or something at the top so that you can add a wire so that your flowers don't flip down or anything. You can, cut a tiny little slit on each side and add a wire to the top of your flowers if you want. I usually add a second wire because I don't want anything to move on my wreaths, so that's up to you though. And then just kind of fluff your flowers. So this is how it looks so far. And then this bow is optional because you have the little glitter bow tie from Dollar Tree. I wanted to, I always tie a bow, so I wanted to add a bow to mine, but you don't have to. And so this is 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire, and I just tied a double bow. So I just let out a tail, then made a loop, kept it pinched tightly in my left hand, went to the other side, made another loop. Then I just went back and forth trying to keep my loops the same size on each side until I got my bow the size I wanted. Then I let out a tail, and I'm just wrapping the center with some 20 gauge floral stem wire. Just wrap the wire tightly around the center of your bow. Next, you're going to take those wires from your bow and you're going to go on each side of your flowers, just right above the zip tie, and thread the wires through the splatter screen. Then go to the back of your wreath, give the wires a few twists, and trim off the extra wires and fold them down. And so this is how it looks, and I really think it looks cute. So you don't have to add the bow tie. You can add a bow or you can add the bow tie alone. So just do whatever makes you happy. I'm just giving you some ideas here, and I just showed you where I hot glued the top of the shamrock to the splatter screen handle. And then here I'm carefully adding the little glitter bow tie, so just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun, guys. And so this is how it looks. $5 is all it cost, and I think it turned out super cute. So let me know what you think, guys, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. I just wanted to say real quick, thank you guys, all of you that commented yesterday on my wreath and said that you hope my fingers felt better soon. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you so much.